Hello and what's up people? Welcome to Jamie Oliver Kitchen, where they take the art of pizza and pasta making to a whole new level.
Jamie Oliver Kitchen is a global cooking restaurant. They have everything from amazing platters to yum flavors.
But that's not where it ends. The menu is a symphony of flavors, from soul-warming coffee to bobas to amazing liquors. You've got it all here. Tantalizing aroma of freshly crafted pasta. Each bite a journey to culinary perfection. At Jamie Oliver Kitchen, every dish is a celebration. Join us in savoring the passion put into every bite.